Ready to unlock seamless international payments? Let's dive into how to transfer money from your Taptap account to your Payoneer account. Keep in mind that this is a generalized process and availability may vary depending on your region and the specific services offered by each platform. First, open your Taptap app on your smartphone, then navigate to the Send or Transfer section, usually signified by an icon that looks like an arrow pointing outwards. Within the Send, Transfer section, you should see options for where you want to send your money. Look for an option like Add Recipient, Send Internationally, or Pay External Account. Click on it. You may need to verify your account with a security code. Now you'll be prompted to input the recipient's Payoneer account details. This is where you will need your Payoneer account information. This typically includes entering your country, your Payoneer email address, and the amount you want to send. Make sure you get all this information accurate. Double-check all the details: €, the amount, the recipient information, all the account data, €. This is very important. Review any associated fees or charges on your transfer before tapping Confirm to proceed. Finally, after confirming the information, tap Send or Transfer to initiate the process. You should receive a confirmation within Taptap, often with a transaction ID. Now you can check your Payoneer account that the money will be available within a certain time frame. Depending on the payment options, congratulations, you have successfully transferred your Taptap funds to Payoneer. This opens up wider possibilities for payment options.